Hello everyone, welcome to Easy to Draw Anime. Today, I'm using the grid method for the first time to make this drawing super simple for you to follow step by step. Take an A4 size sheet and keep it horizontal. First, draw 2 horizontal lines with a distance of 16 centimeters between them. Then draw vertical lines at every 3 centimeters. I'm using an Opsara 9B pencil for this, but I recommend using a lighter pencil like HB. I'm only using 9B because I don't have an HB pencil right now. Next, draw horizontal lines at every 3 centimeters as well. Your grid should look like this. Now mark numbers 1 to 6 on the left side and 1 to 7 across the top. We'll start drawing from the third column and the third row. I'm using a Camlin soft charcoal pencil for the sketch, but you can use any pencil you have. Now let's start drawing step by step together. Also, I'm not sure if you'll like grid method drawings or not, so make sure to comment below. If you like it, I'll make more grid drawings, otherwise, I'll continue without the grid. Now I'm using a Camlin 10B pencil for lighter shading and a Camlin soft charcoal pencil for darker shading. You can use any pencils you have. Again, don't forget to comment. Do you like the grid method? And do you want to see it in future drawings? Also, tell me which character you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe. We're getting really close to a big goal for this channel. I've also tagged all the products I used in the description, so you can check them out. I'll see you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.